One day after Thanksgiving, Tom Cruise boards a private helicopter in London. Photos. As he boarded a private helicopter in London, Tom Cruise appeared calm and controlled. On Friday, Nov 26, just one day after Thanksgiving, the 59-year-old sat on the plane wearing aviator sunglasses and a protective face mask, which he later removed. Tom wore a navy blue long-sleeve shirt and scarf, as well as a bomb-style puffer jacket, as he went towards the chopper in the rainy 40-degree weather. The actor has been hard at work in London on the film Mission: Impossible 8, which is expected to be released in 2023, and will see him reprise his legendary character, Ethan Hunt. Christopher McQuarrie directed the film, which also stars his reported now ex-girlfriend Hayley Atwell, Rebecca Ferguson, and Vanessa Kirby. The film was shot concurrently with Mission: Impossible 7, which will be released in 2022 and features the same cast.